Hi. Yeah, I'm very glad we got the old school walker. I'll have to thank the Rattlers again. What's up? What was that?
Say, Daddy, excuse me.
Excuse me?
Say, Daddy,
what's with the tongue?
Excuse me. She's filling out her new teeth. That's what it is, baby.
Ah! Hey, Dilly. Hey. Uh-oh.
Hey, Dilly.
No. Look at the seat moving. Hey, Dylan. No. Don't tell me like I'm not watching you. Hey, Dylan. Dylan.
Dylan, no.
No. You think you're clever, kid. Like if you turn your back, I can't see you. Yeah, go forward. Push forward. Go that way. Go to mommy.